Robert Keefer here with H2O Pro, and just want to show you this crawl space that we're looking at today. Just got called from a customer who has a musty odor coming from their crawl space into their house. This is what a bad condition crawl space looks like. Complete failure here. You can see this vapor barriers floating completely throughout. There is just a massive amount of water here. There's a small little dehumidifier from Home Depot there. Crawl through this. I'm not even sure if they put any drainage in here. Sure you guys, you can hear that. I mean, there is just a ton of water in here. This is pretty insane. Let's see if we can find a sub pump installed in here if we're lucky. There's the sub pump way down there, so let's get down to it, see what we can find out. Hopefully everybody can just see all the water that's in here. Any luck? Get this even brighter. There we go. See the incredible amount of water throughout this crawl space. So this is what happens if you don't have a battery backup monitoring system like H2O Pro can install on your existing sub pump, or put a proper new sub pump in with a battery backup and a 24-hour monitoring system. If anything ever shuts off, you get email and text message alerts immediately, and you can notify us. We can fix it before you end up with a massive problem like this. So now I got to get to work. Thanks for watching. Call us to answer any of your sub pump questions for all your mold remediation and proper encapsulation at 302-321-7077, or find us on the web, waterandmoldpros.com. And please like and share this post. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on crawl space encapsulation, protecting your home from moisture and mold problems, and improving your indoor air quality. Like us on Facebook, and if you haven't already, invite your friends to like our page too. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate everything that you've done, and we really appreciate you watching these videos. Thanks so much, and remember, H2O Pro, from the crawl space to the roof, we waterproof.